Grass looking all patchy and thin right by your sidewalk or driveway because of that brutal heat bouncing off the concrete? Yeah, it's a thing, and it's super annoying when you just want a nice thick lawn, you know? So first off, you gotta realize that bare spots happen because the sun just cooks those edges, so putting up a little shade makes a huge difference. Even something as simple as a row of potted plants or a cute little movable garden screen can block some of that heat without being a pain to deal with. Another tip is to keep your mower blades higher near the driveway. Longer grass shades the soil, keeps roots cooler, and helps everything bounce back faster. Mulch is your friend too, especially along the border. It holds moisture and keeps the ground from frying. Water those edges early in the morning, like before it gets hot, so the water soaks in and doesn't just disappear into thin air. You can also look for heat-tolerant grass seed blends if you're reseeding. Some types just don't freak out as much when things get toasty. And seriously, don't forget about edging. Clean edges help keep grass from getting stepped on or run over, which just makes thinning worse. Last thing, add a slow-release fertilizer, but don't overdo it. Too much can burn those stress spots even more. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with grass thinning near sidewalks and driveways is watering at the wrong time. If you water in the heat of the day, most of it evaporates before it helps your grass. Try watering super early in the morning so it actually gets down to the roots. Another super common issue is cutting the grass way too short along the edges, thinking it looks neat, but it actually exposes the soil and lets heat stress the roots even more. Just bump your mower up a notch near those hot zones. People also forget about shade barriers completely, so those sections get hammered by sun and heat reflecting off hard surfaces like crazy. Set up shade with plants or even a temporary fabric barrier for instant relief and better long-term growth. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find local pros who actually know how to handle tricky lawn problems like heat-stressed grass, so you get results that last. If you're a contractor, it helps you connect with homeowners who need help now, making it way easier to fill your schedule and grow your business.